He just wants something, that's all. I'll give him some Fruit Loops. He probably have any more quarters. You're making that noise.
I would pass him then. I want to pass him.
My last quarter.
Give me a few.
How about you can throw them in?
No, here, take one. Take one and hold it and pass it to them in their little hands.
Oh, I'm sorry, you dropped that one. Hey, you got it. What are you doing?
Did you drop it?
No, he keeps dropping. Here's a bigger one. Ah, he ate it. The bigger ones are easier. Oh, they're fighting each other.
The bigger ones, yeah.
See the way he grabs it. No, there's two of them. That's hilarious.
Uh-oh, now they're getting mad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't want to get bit.
They won't get bite. They can't get their nose. Just hand it to them. Paw.
Feels funny when he grabs your finger.
Yeah, right.
Feels funny when he grabs your finger.
Okay, give me the other one.
That guy eats a lot. He ate.
They just want the Fruit Loop.